the other complainant?
Atras kayo, baka tamaan niyo sa Senator, ha? Atras kayo. Atras. Atras lang, sir. Wala, hindi kita. Atras. Hindi kita, sir.
You have all the time in the world, so huwag kayo magunahan, okay? Pagka kunan mo isa, magbigay ng space. Panic muna lahat.
X.
Verified complaint for impeachment signed by 17 complainants. Duly verified. As I said kanina, 5 grounds for impeachment under the Constitution and also the rules of impeachment of the House of Representatives and 24 articles of impeachment ang naka-enumerate and discussed under those 4 or 5 basic grounds for impeachment and duly endorsed by Representative Percy Sandania. So ito na po. Nabasa ko na po kanina.
Nabasa na na, okay.
Yung mga complainants kanina assisted.
Tuloy mo na para malaman.
Baka po ulitin lang po natin. Nakatayo naman po dito sa harapan yung complainants. Pakilala na lang po muli tayo. Simulan po natin siguro dito.
Teresita Ginting, Casveras.
Eugene Gonzalez ng Magdalo, complainant.
Yvonne Herrera from Magdalo.
Madali nyo.
Lenny Lopez po, may Civil Society.
Randy De Los Santos, Pilo.
Father
Robert Reyes from Clergy for Good Governance.
Yes.
Silvia Estrada Claudio, Civil Society complainant.
Father Flaggy Villanueva, SVP po.
Section, ito po yung mga complainants natin. Ito po ng verified complaint. At nandito po yung resolution of endorsement mula sa Akbayan Party.
Masyadong dikit.
So, at sinusuportahan po natin, ito pong mga brave and courageous citizens who's making this historic impeachment complaint against the Vice President. Sana po sa pamamagitan ng complaint na ito, maisara na natin yung bangungot na dulot ng ating pong Vice President sa taong bayan. Maisara na ng taong bayan ang bangungot na dulot ni Sara.
Okay. Ito po yung endorsement at yan po yung complaint.
Konti, phone. Konti lang po.
At the second, ayun yung napatras na konti. Para makakuha.
Ito muna.
Dito naman, face here po. This way. Secretary, this way naman po. This way naman po. Thank you. Thank you po. Nakababa na ako ha. Ayan, nakababa na ako.
Wait lang po at ang network tong dala-dala ko.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ganito po mangyayari.
Sir, paano na?
Ipapareceive namin formal ito, itong document.
Phone, konti, phone.
And then I'll deliver a short statement for this complaint. So, pakidala, bibigyan namin kayo ng copy nyo para sa received.
And this is the e-copy. Sir, this is the...
This is a copy.
Sir, i-verify pa lang ba yun?
Verify na po.
Verify na.
Kaya, tigil.
Oh. Tinor mo yun.
Okay na?
Verified na ba yun?
I have a statement to make, no? Hindi. I have enough copies, so magbibigyan kayo lahat, ha?
Wait lang sir, sasabihin niyo ba yung statement? Ayusin
Yeah.
lang namin yung mga mic. Tsaka yung camera kasi
Sige, sige.
naka-araw-araw na. May statement po si Secgen.
Diyan may wait.
Gitna ka lang, Secgen. Lahat.
Okay na, Secgen.
Okay?
Sige po. Quiet please.
Mapa-open si Secgen.
Hindi na, okay na yan.
Secgen, okay lang mo.
Okay lang po ba?
Okay na yan, okay na yan.
Okay na?
Okay na po, sir. Sige po.
Okay? At 4:30 p.m. today, the Office of the Secretary General received an impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte filed by civil society
Kaliwa,
groups.
kaliwa.
The House of Representatives is constitutionally mandated to act on any impeachment complaint filed in accordance with the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Pursuant to the Constitution, a verified complaint for impeachment may be filed by any member of the House of Representatives or by any citizen upon a resolution of endorsement by any member thereof. It is crucial to underscore that addressing an impeachment complaint is not a discretionary act for the House of Representatives, but a constitutional obligation. The Constitution
Thank you.
prescribes clear steps to ensure fairness and adherence to the rule of law. Impeachment proceedings are vital to preserve the integrity of the institution and affirming the principle that public officials are accountable to the people they serve. Accordingly, the House of Representatives will proceed with its duties on this matter, strictly adhering to the Constitution, its rules, the principles of due process. The House of Representatives remains committed to conducting the proceedings with transparency, impartiality, and full respect for the rule of law. The constitutional mandate is a vital function of Congress in maintaining public trust in government institutions. We call on all parties to allow the legal process to take its course, ensuring that truth and justice will prevail. Thank you. So ito po ang kopya ng aking statement.
Okay naman.
So sir, what's next?
Yun hong what's
Microphone
next,
lang. PTV po.
we will deliver another update, no? Yan lang po ang statement na i-deliver ko ngayon. Acknowledging the receipt of this complaint.
Kailan mo to sir papadala sa Speaker's Office?
Meron hong rules yan eh. May
Can you
rules
give us
po
the
yan.
rules, sir?
May rules po dyan. Ayan pala,
Under the Constitution, within 10 days,
10 sessions.